The re-election of Governor Willie Obiano and his deputy Dr. Nkem Okeke has received further boost, with villages in Enugu, Njikoka local government area reaffirming support for their second term bid. The people of the area drummed their support during the visit of the wife of the Deputy Governor, Mrs. Obi Okeke, to the area to sensitize the people on the achievements of the present administration in the state. Mrs. Okeke used the opportunity to highlight some of the numerous benefits the town received from the present APGA government, to include the construction of Nkwenuguku bypass, the reconstruction of Enuguku to Nise Ring Road, the ongoing Enuguku Ultramodern General Hospital, political appointment of over 15 Enuguku people, among others, and enjoin the people not to allow the opportunities that abound in APGA to slip from their hands.
I want us to be proud of our heritage. Those of our land will be very jealous of us. We never heritage.
On his part, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Anambra Broadcasting Service, Nze Uche Nwora, urged the people to vote massively for APGA to ensure the sustenance of democracy dividends in the town. In a vote of thanks, the chairman of Umuaku village, Mr. Imo Okoye, who commended the deputy governor's wife for taking it upon herself to go around the community, assured her that the village will deliver bulk vote to APGA. Presentation of gifts such as bags of rice and cash by the Association of Enuguku village chairmen and secretaries to the villagers formed the highlights of the event. From Enuguku, Njikoka local government area, I am Ifeanyi Nwosu reporting for ABS News.